Hey guys, welcome back. What you just got through looking at is one of my all-time summer favorites. We're getting ready to make pasta salad. Pasta salad with smoked Gouda, basil, and tomato. Oh my goodness. But before we get started, take a second, guys. Do me a favor, go ahead and subscribe. Tap the notification bell so you'll enable notifications. Let's go ahead and get right into it. Okay guys, the first thing you want to do is make sure you cook your pasta. Get that water going to a rolling boil. Add in your salt. Add in a good amount of salt. You just want to cook this according to package directions. Make sure it comes right back up to a boil. Then add your pasta in. While this is cooking, we're going to go over and make our dressing. Our pasta is looking good and it is ready. Make sure you drain it and rinse it in cold water until it is no longer hot. Okay, for our ingredients, we're going to start off with some mayo. Now you can use Miracle Whip, but it won't be as creamy because Miracle Whip itself is not as creamy as mayo. I'm going to leave all the directions and instructions in the description as always. Now we're going in with some milk. We're going to also go in with some white vinegar, about 1/4 cup. We're also adding some adobo seasoning to this. Salt and pepper as usual to taste, always to taste. Then you want to go in, make sure you mix this really, really well. After that, you want to go in with your pasta. Make sure it's blended really well. And you can use any pasta that you want, but I like to use the penne pasta because it has the hole on the ends of it and that sauce gets right down in there. We're going to go in with our cheese. Add in our tomatoes. Now, before we add anything else at this point, you want to go in and give it a quick taste. Make sure it's seasoned right. Make sure it's seasoned the way you want it to be seasoned. Delicious. But I like my sauce to be just a little bit thicker, so I'm going to go in with a little bit more mayo. Not much, just a little bit more. Make it just a little bit more creamier for me. Well, that's a little bit more than a little bit, but okay. Add in a little bit more salt and pepper. Give it a good stir. Now we're going to go in with our freshly chopped basil. I don't think I need all that. Oh, this is delicious. You could only smell it. I'm going to chill this. So I'm going to leave it just like this. We're going to put it in the refrigerator for a couple of hours and then we'll be back. Okay guys, so it's been a couple of hours. We're going to go ahead and get this plated up. Give it another quick stir. And we're going to stir it again once we actually get it in our bowl. Doesn't this look amazing? Now I'm going to go in with a little of my reserved. Not too much of that. Just a little bit on top so we can mix it in really well here. And this is looking perfect and amazing. Okay guys, this is our pasta salad with smoked Gouda, tomato, and basil.